Cut cement backer board to size, fasten it to the plywood subfloor, and create a flat, stable, moisture-resistant base ready for tile. Start by confirming the existing plywood subfloor is solid, clean, and at least 5/8 of an inch thick for residential floors, or follow local code for thicker panels. Lay out a dry fit of the cement backer board with staggered joints and a 1/4 inch gap at walls to allow for thinset and movement. Use a pencil and a carbide scoring tool or a circular saw with a cement cutting blade to cut panels, and always wear a rated dust mask and eye protection because the dust is harmful. Apply a thin layer of unmodified thinset mortar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch square notch trowel to the plywood only when manufacturer instructions call for it, or use a gap fill method with screws and a thinset underlayment if advised by the board maker. Fasten the panels with corrosion-resistant cement board screws spaced every 6 inches along the edges and every 8 inches in the field, while keeping screw heads just below the surface and not overdriven. After fastening, tape all seams with alkali-resistant fiberglass mesh tape and cover the tape with a thin layer of thinset, and check the entire floor for level by using a long straight edge and shim low spots with thinset, or replace uneven panels until the surface is flat within 1/8 inch over 10 feet for tile work. Common issues start with an unsupported or soft plywood subfloor that will lead to tile and grout cracking. So reinforce the subfloor with additional plywood or a layer of exterior grade plywood glued and screwed to create proper stiffness. Another frequent mistake is overdriving screws or using the wrong fasteners, which can create loose panels or weak holding strength. So always use the recommended corrosion-resistant cement board screws and stop when the head is flush or slightly below the surface. Lastly, people skip sealing seams or use improper tape, which can allow movement or moisture problems. So always use alkali-resistant fiberglass tape and cover it with a full embedment of thinset and allow curing time before proceeding to waterproofing or tile installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who are actively looking for work and provides a discussion community where users ask questions and share experiences about projects like cement backer board installation. We help homeowners find matches for their jobs and offer contractors a place to showcase availability and expertise, while our community offers practical peer advice.